Hi guys doing, and welcome to another Arc Garage video. If you wanna see more Alfa Romeo related content, make sure to hit like, share and subscribe. Today I'm gonna show you how to install a second cup holder instead of the card holder. You don't need to take anything apart. All you basically need is a small flathead screwdriver. Now, besides the small flathead screwdriver, you of course need a second cup holder. I'm gonna start by removing this one first. I'm gonna push up these pins on each side. It does require a bit of patience, but you can easily do it. Now push up one of the pins. Now this side is out. I'm gonna hold it so it doesn't go back in. Now I'm gonna push the pin on this side, and here it is. All you gotta do is slide the cup holder out. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the card holder. Again, I'm gonna push up on these two pins on each side. Thanks to these two notches right here, I can leave the spring in place and just slide in the new cup holder. Just make sure that the spring is in the right place and slide the second cup holder in. Just like that. Now before we get done, I still have to remove this outer trim. I don't know if you can notice, but it's not aligned. I'm gonna take the one from the card holder, remove this one and put it in its place. To remove it, grab it on the bottom and pull it up. Now take your piece from the card holder, align the top first and push the bottom in. Just like this. Now that would be all for this video. If you liked it, hit the like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of our 50.